I am Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, today is WIP Caddy Wednesday video, one of my favorite videos that I get to do for you guys during the week, and it's because I get to showcase all the beautiful projects that you guys are working on, and it brings me so much joy. You inspire us so much. And if you don't know what WIP Caddy Wednesday is, it is works in progress on our rolling 3-tier carts that we buy from Amazon, Michael's, Joann's, just wherever we can find the little rolling 3-tier carts. And you'll see what I'm talking about in the little video clip. But I take a lot of pride and joy in being able to showcase what my subscribers out there are working on, because we all get inspired by that. So let me go ahead and roll this little video clip so that all of you guys can see what you guys are up to. Okay, here we have Marina's Crochet and Tell, and she says that the project bag is a C2C using Bernette Velvet in terracotta rose and shadow purple. Sounds very pretty. In the Walmart bag are cotton balls for Christmas makes for their table, placemats and such, and on the stand a few notions and her tea. And I love the little snowman that you made over there. It is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Marina, for sharing that with us. I just love it. Okay, here we have Patsy's card. And Patsy, you are so funny. You're hilarious. She says on the top shelf is the same old stuff. It cracked me up. Second shelf is the Jenny Lynn scarf with Premier Puzzle yarn, and that is a pattern of mine, so I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys. The bottom shelf is the beginning of a Christmas outfit for her goose, and she says, happy crocheting, friends. Well, happy crocheting to you too, Patsy. Okay, here we have Amy's cart, and she just got this cart. I'm so excited for you, Amy. And so now we get to see some updates on all the different cool things that Amy is working on. So Amy says that on the top shelf is the Malden Mobius shawl. The kit is from Lion Brand Jeans, and the yarn for the pocket shawls, Big Twist Classic. And the middle shelf is for Christmas gnomes, and it's I Love This Yarn. And the bottom shelf is for some sunflowers that she's making, Red Heart and Big Twist. Thank you so much, Amy, for sharing your cart with us. Melinda, I hope it's okay with you for me to share this infinity scarf, but I just had to. It is gorgeous. She said that this is number 3 infinity scarf, and she already has number 4 on her hook. I am so excited for you, Melinda. Guys, I will leave the link to this pattern below. It is the infinity scarf that I have out, and it is gorgeous, Melinda. Thank you for sharing that with us. Okay, here we have Rose's cart, and Rose, she says that on the middle shelf is a hats and scarf sets for Christmas. Currently working on the Bernay Gray Marl, looks like awesome, rich textured crochet, Christmas throws on the bottom shelf, and she has this beautiful poncho from Bag O' Day, Pebbles in the Sand. This poncho is gorgeous. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. I just love it. I can't quit looking at it. I love the colors. Okay, guys, here we have Julie's cart. She said there's only 3 projects. The top shelf is a drop stitch knitted shawl. The middle shelf is a jacket for her grandson. And the bottom shelf is still the scrap yarn blanket. She says, I will try to get the blanket done by the end of the year. I have a year-long blanket project in mind for next year. Well, how exciting. And she says to check out her channel for more info on her projects and her finished projects. And she does have a YouTube channel. I will leave the link below for you guys. Okay, weren't they just wonderful? Oh my gosh, you guys have some beautiful stuff out there. Yes. There's quite a few things on there that I would like to make. And I appreciate you guys that are making some of my patterns. And if I will leave the links below to the patterns that I have created and that you guys are making, like the Jenny Lynn scarf and the infinity scarf and stuff like that. Which reminds me, on Instagram, I have a reel and a story of a little video clip of a Christmas scarf. Yeah, here it is. So I don't have it in here with me, but I do. Here it is. For this scarf right here, I just have the instructions, so you would have to take a snapshot of it because it is on a quick, short little video, and it rolls kind of fast. So, but I do leave it on there long enough for you to snapshot it real quick. And you can make this right here. So I used Hobby yarn with this, or Hobie yarn with this, Horizon. It is a limited edition yarn, but the color is 02. So it is very beautiful, very soft. I love this. So I can't wait to wear this during the holiday season, the Christmas season. Okay, so I guess I will go ahead and show you guys what is on my hook from now till next Monday, okay? I know that I would like to throw in an amigurumi, but I don't have one in mind yet. But I would like to throw one in. But I will show you this right here. The Annie's kit that I am working on. This is it right here. Make sure I got the right side. Where are my baubles? Okay, there's the baubles. So here's the right side. Okay, so this is what I'm working on. And it is big. This is from Annie's catalog, I guess that's what it is, but it's this is the Christmas candy stripe blanket. But here it is right here. So it is big. And it just keeps going. This is about 11 kits thrown together. There we go. Isn't it beautiful? All right, so I believe it was like a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. They give you in the kit 3 things of yarn, and it is Premier Anti-Peeling Yarn, medium full weight, 153 yards. And I don't have my basket in here, guys. Yeah, I don't see my basket in here, but it is full of yarn left over from this kit, so I'm going to have quite a bit of yarn left over. They give you this right here. I am on the border right there. It shows you, it's highlighted what part of the pattern that you're working on. And yeah, this was number 11, kit 11. So anyway, I'll leave a link below for you guys if you're interested in this. I am loving this, and this will be, hopefully I will get done with this border over the weekend, and I will be able to show this to you guys on Monday. Wouldn't that be exciting? I'll be done with it just in time to put up on my couch or my recliner or somewhere in my living room, and I'll be able to see this all winter or all during Christmas. I hear my cuckoo clock. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the video, but I can hear my cuckoo clock. Okay, so the other thing that I'm working on this weekend is I am working on, I've got to have 2 rows of 18 black and white. It's got to have 18 squares across in 4 rows. I have 2 rows done, and I have all my black and 1 white for my 3rd row. So I'm really having a lot of fun with this blanket. The yarn that I am using, the hook is a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. The yarn I am using for this is Hobie XL Amigo. Very nice yarn, guys. 109 yards in here. It's a medium full weight yarn. I love this yarn. This blanket is really soft. It's really nice. I'll leave the link below for this yarn as well. But if you did not see my last 2 videos, this is it right here. I am working on that part right there. See, it's 4 rows, and that is going to go right here. Oh, and some of you asked to see the back of the cars. The cars are done in a cross-stitch design. It's more noticeable in these colors than it is the lighter colors. And that's what the back side looks like. You guys that were asking. There it is. The wheels are done with a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, and the body of this is done with a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So it takes 3 hooks. But yeah, that's the back side. Here's the front. And thank you guys for recommending how I do my next row of cars. Quite a few of you suggested doing the cars in a reverse order, and I really like that idea. So I am going to try that. Just try to do it in reverse. So yeah, so those are the 2 things that are basically on my hook for the rest of this week. And like I said, I'm going to try to throw in an amigurumi or something like that as well. We'll see. I do have a busy week this week. I have a couple little parties to go to at the end of the week. But yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. First and true. Don't set the affections of your heart on this world or in loving the things of the world. The love of the Father and the love of the world are incompatible. 1 John 2:15. Lover of my soul, I set my affections on you today. You are the true desire of my heart. In you I find the acceptance and confidence I have been looking for all my life. Keep my heart satisfied in you, that the sway of the world and all its offerings would pale in comparison to the goodness of loving you. Lord, you know my tendency towards complacency, but I don't want that to be a marker of my relationship with you. I come alive in your river of love. It fills me with joy that can't be found anywhere else. May I stay awake in this age of competing forces for my affection. Only you truly satisfy. Everything else comes up empty in the end. I offer you my whole heart, every part today. I don't hold anything back because you are fully worth all of it. If you look at the way you spend your time, what are your affections set on? I believe that is really worth thinking about. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. It is just wonderful. I love bringing that to you guys. That's all that I have for this video. Just remember to submit your caddies, the things that you're working on. You can email them to me or you can post them in the Facebook group page. But when you do, please always put on what you have going, what the projects are. And I even like when you include the yarn and what the pattern is that you're using, because I get to tell that to everyone else, all you listeners out there. I get to tell that to you guys so that you guys, if you see something that someone is working on, that you'll know where to go to get that. So I appreciate that very much. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, to have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.